Have you been feeling like the investing world is changing faster than you can keep up? The strategies that worked before suddenly seem broken, and the old advice leads you straight into dead ends. It's like you're running hard on a treadmill, putting in all the effort but not getting anywhere. If that sounds familiar, take a deep breath. The problem might not be the market or your effort. The problem might be the outdated mindset you're using to see everything. 2026 is coming, and it won't have room for old ways of thinking. Today, we're dropping the 4 most dangerous investing mindsets that are holding you back. I'll rank them from least to most dangerous. The first mindset you need to drop right now is, I have to find the next $1,000,000 idea. We're obsessed with get-rich-quick stories, that one stock or crypto coin that will change everything. This mindset turns you into a hunter, constantly stressed, chasing one hot trend after another. You buy at the peak out of FOMO, then sell at the bottom in panic. That cycle just drains your account with fees and emotional decisions. In the hyper-connected world of 2026, by the time you hear about an opportunity from the crowd, it's usually too late. The solution isn't hunting for the next big kill, it's building a garden. Think about planting a tree. You pick good seeds, like broad market ETFs or foundational stocks. You water it consistently every month, that's automatic investing, and you patiently let it grow through sun and rain, through market ups and downs. Sustainable wealth doesn't come from one magical shot. It comes from consistently feeding a simple automatic money-making machine, month after month. But when people quit the hunter mindset, they often fall into the second trap. I only invest in safe things like cash or gold. Sounds wise, right? But this is a deadly illusion. In a world with inflation, doing nothing is actually a risky move. The safe cash in your bank account is silently losing purchasing power every single day. In 2026, with all the volatility in prices and policy, what you need isn't false safety, it's the ability to manage risk intelligently. This doesn't mean jumping into risky stuff. It means building a diversified portfolio, a mix of stocks, bonds, and maybe some real assets to weather different kinds of economic weather. Think of it like a versatile jacket. It's waterproof for rain, which are recessions, and breathable for sun, which is growth. The real risk isn't seeing your account balance bounce around. It's not having enough money to live the way you want in 20 or 30 years. Then, even with a diversified portfolio, we get tempted by the third outdated mindset. I have to predict the market. We spend hours analyzing charts, listening to experts with conflicting forecasts, trying to guess the tops and bottoms. We believe success lies in that prophecy. The truth is, nobody can predict the market consistently. Trying just stresses you out, burns you out, and usually makes you make the worst decisions at the worst times, selling at the bottom out of fear and buying at the top out of greed. In 2026, instead of trying to be a prophet, become a strategist. Write down a simple plan. What will I do if the market drops 15%? What will I do if it rises 20%? Write this plan when you're calm and clear-headed. When volatility hits, you don't need to think or predict. You just open the plan and follow it. You're replacing anxiety with preparation. Finally, there's a toxic mindset that secretly ruins your investing happiness and effectiveness. Success means beating the market and everyone else. We constantly compare our returns to a coworker, a social media friend, or some hedge fund. We turn investing into a race where the feeling of falling behind is constant. This mindset makes you perpetually dissatisfied, always feeling behind, and leads to reckless decisions just to keep up. The truth is, investing is not a race, it's a personal journey. Your only real competitor is the person you were yesterday. The goal isn't to beat the S&P 500. The goal is to build a plan that funds your personal dreams, buying a home, retiring early, sending your kids to college. When you focus on your own race, you'll find the peace and patience that all great investors have. So, what do you need to bring into 2026? Not a list of hot stocks, but a new set of mindsets, from a stressed hunter to a patient gardener, from a risk avoider to an intelligent risk manager, from a stressed-out prophet to a calm strategist, and from a tired competitor to an explorer on your own financial journey. Your financial future isn't determined by the market. It's determined by the mindsets you choose to keep or drop. Your move today? Grab a piece of paper. Write down one of these 4 outdated mindsets you're letting go of, and next to it, write one new rule you commit to. That small change is your strongest first step. If this was helpful, share it with a friend who needs a mindset shift. Make sure to subscribe because the real journey to mastering your money is just beginning. I'll see you in the next video.